Today is Vlogmas Day 9. I am off to shops to buy the other half of dinner. Only having like Mondays we always have like chips for dinner. I feel like Monday's just one of those days we're just getting into the week, we want to be chill. So I need to go and get the chips. Also, yeah, I only need to get chips. Also, the kids are going to go. I'm getting all the kids advent calendars. So we're gonna take it up the notch. I think this year we'll probably get like the really like fancy ones. From Wilco closed at 6 o'clock. They're all finished. I am back from the shops. Oh, look at that spot. Anyways, you guys, oh my goodness, I went to nearly every single store that sells food, apart from the corner shops because I know they won't have it. Just for advent calendars, I literally went Wilco, Poundland, Sainsbury's. I went into Marks and Spencer, which I don't go into, as I don't go into Marks and Spencer. I even went to Iceland, which I'd rarely go into. And then I was like, you know what, let's go Tesco. I went out for chips. That's all I was going to get, chips, maybe a packet of biscuit and juice. And literally for like 2 hours. It would have taken me like less than an hour, in and out. But no, I had to walk through so many stores. Finally went into Tesco, which I rarely go into. Found these advent calendars. They were reduced to 50p. But I wanted to get them the Cadbury one, like the celebration, the M&M ones. Yeah, but yeah, Wilco was sold out of them. So they said that, but they're still happy. And yeah, my daughter didn't get advent calendar because she didn't want the Toy Story one. So she got a packet. Yeah, a box like packet of roses to chocolate. And I told her you could just use it as an advent calendar, eat one a day. She said that there's like 27 in the pack, which is perfect. It's 27 in the pack. I'm gonna go and have a bath and then I'm gonna come down and make dinner. Sometimes I like to just go to have a bath before dinner. My legs are killing me. I was literally walking. The stuff we do for these kids. Oh my days. So guys, I am back from, it's been a couple of hours since I've been back. Anyways, I've come back home, I have cooked, I have fed the family, and I've had my bath. Kids are upstairs. When I went into Sainsbury's, I picked up something new. Because every week when I go and do my weekly shop, I always like to treat myself something. Like a little treat, a chocolate mainly. Because usually on this day, I know that by the end of the day I'll be tired. So I'm like, let me get something to just treat myself later on. And literally in Sainsbury's, they had like the little cake area. I picked up this. I don't know if you can see it. This one, yeah. I picked up the Mary Berry banana fudge loaf. Oh my goodness, it was £2.50. I was like, banana fudge loaf. That's like a beautiful combination. It is Vlogmas Day 11. are about to start having breakfast, but I want to be more organised. I'm getting prepared for the new year, so I am going to jot down on my remember sign everything I need to do today. I have to clean the bathroom upstairs. Oh yeah. Upstairs. Bathroom. Well, we only have one bathroom. Downstairs is just a toilet. But upstairs. What are we doing? Oh, change bed sheets. Change bed sheets. What else? Oh, am I getting a double chin? Oh, it's slightly coming. Your girl's been eating a lot of chicken burgers, especially during the summer. I put on weight. Anyway, as we were. Those are the 4 things I have to do today. If I've got any more, then I add more that I need to do. Let's go home. So guys, I am back from the shops. I went out today because I needed to go and do baby weighing. So I needed to go to the baby clinic to get the baby weighed. The baby's 8 months now. It's gone so fast. It's like, I was asked, how old is he today? And I told the lady 8 months because her baby's 4 months. Yeah, her baby's 4 months. My baby's 8 months. Oh, going to baby clinic and all the cute babies. Oh. And there was a mother there as well. Her baby struggling to like keep food down. Yeah, poor thing. At one point she wanted to stay there and like have the health visitor watch her feed her child. Like, she's so concerned. Seriously, like, all we want for our kids is just for our kids to be fine. Like, she was so concerned. Hope her baby like just gets well. I know, I remember when she was talking, she said that her baby was born with some complications and stuff, but oh, it's so cute. But yeah, I hope her baby like starts feeding and like, yeah, because you could just tell she was so stressed. So I went in, so after baby clinic I went to the shops to get some food for the next 2 days. I don't do like weekly shops anymore. I do food shop for the next 2 days. That's how I do it. So 3 times a week I go to the shops and I do the food shop for the next next 2 to 3 days. It's better, it's less bags, it's just way better. And I think in the new year I'll do hauls and I'll show you guys that what we're going to eat in the next 2 days. Yeah, seriously, that's what I'll do in the new year. Went into Poundland, picked up a Christmas gift for my son. If you didn't watch my Poundland haul, I did say I was going to go back and get more Christmas gift. I got this. You'll see it again in the Poundland haul. So, you know, most people won't watch the vlog. But yeah, I picked up this. The lady in Poundland in the checkout, she was looking at it and she was like, it's a gift. I was like, yeah, it's a gift. Because my son wasn't with me today. I left him at home. So I was like, it's a perfect time to go and get it. Yeah, I picked up these ones. I've never picked these up. How many do they have inside the pack? Is it literally 5? I mean, it's £1, so probably getting a bargain. But yeah, I picked up these for my Santa sleigh display piece. You'll see it in my... No, by the time this video goes up, you would have seen my decorate for Christmas video. I'm going to put this in a Santa sleigh. And then I picked up my 3-year-old. I've got to buy this for all the other kids. But I picked him up Minions battery powered toothbrush. £3.50 in Sainsbury's. I've got... Yeah. They're getting reduced a lot in Sainsbury's and Wilko. So, yeah, I picked this up for him. And then Remember I had this the other day? The Mary Berry banana fudge loaf. Let me tell you, it's amazing. Hey there guys, we are off to the shops. Sainsbury's are having a 25% off sale on like regular items, so I need to go down and get the baby a new jacket. I think I'll get the brown one. It is Vlogmas day 15. Yeah, all that dark stuff you're seeing under my eyes or around my eyes, makeup. I didn't take it off last night. Mum life. Sometimes you're so tired you can't even take off makeup. Today, me and the kids, we are gonna clean this house top to bottom. And I rarely do that. Normally I'm just cleaning like a certain part of the house, but today I'm like, it's Sunday, we're cleaning the whole house.